Hey guys, thanks for clicking on the video here. Today we're going to try to do some polishing a headlight here on a Range Rover. I saw a video of this guy using the Turtle Wax scratch remover, swirl and scratch remover, and I gotta say I was pretty impressed. He used it on a windshield, and it got out a lot of the scratches, but it did take a lot of work. But I figured if it worked on glass, then I can see it working on a headlight. So we're just going to go ahead and give this the old college try and see if this actually works. I'll be using these pads here by Mido, I believe they're called. They're on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description where you can get these on Amazon, but they come in a package. You get a bunch of different pads and stuff. This is a medium abrasive pad that I'm going to be following up with, but you'll see that when I start doing this. And I'm going to pair this stuff up with the wool pad that it comes with on a drill brush, and because this is the most abrasive, and I want to see if it cuts to the chase and actually can polish a headlight without buying like a crazy expensive lens repair kit or restore kit. So let's go ahead and get to it. So here you can see the headlight. You got, look, appears to be some oxidation here. I'm gonna do this side, and I'm gonna leave this side alone so we can compare to see before and after. But yeah, you can see, hard to see this light, but it's pretty faded. Let's see there. Yeah, you can see the line going here. So we're gonna go ahead and try to get all that out. So starting with the side, make sure you tape around, so you don't get anything, so you don't scuff up the paint or anything like that. And that's just, being precautionary. So, all right, let's get to it. All right, so the first thing you want to do is make sure you have a clean surface you're working with. I like to take isopropyl alcohol and water, 50-50 mix. Kind of just wipe your surfaces, get them clean. I spray it on the rag. I don't really like to go directly on. I don't like to spray direct onto the surface. I don't want to splatter stuff everywhere, even though I'm probably going to splatter over everywhere anyway. So, all right, let's go ahead and get this going here. Put our wool pad on the drill, and make sure you shake up your product. Using this stuff, this isn't going to be different. So, yeah. And I like to do is put a lot of product in there, and just kind of with your finger, just prime the pad. It's called priming the pad. So it's going to help it not splatter everywhere and get a nice coverage all over the wool pad. And then I'm going to take some more product. I'm going to use my finger and just kind of get it everywhere here. And when you're using polishes, you don't have to use a ton. A lot of people like to use a ton of polish, and you really don't need to. Okay. So, here we go, first pass. Just gonna spread it around. And then we'll go ahead and speed it up. gonna be good right there with that. Buff it off. I could definitely see the clarity here though. Definitely good. All right. And obviously this is a quick job just to see, you know, how this stuff does. And we're gonna switch to the orange pad now, which is a medium cut. And I'm gonna use the same product. Again, we're gonna prime it up. Put a few dabs in there and with your finger just get it around in there. Prime it up. And then I'll dab some on my finger and do the same thing I did before. Just get some on there. I'll get in closer for the before and after shot. Kind of hard to tell on this lighting in here. Right. Same thing, spread it around real slowly. See what we got here. Okay, I'm definitely liking the way it's coming out though. I'm definitely impressed with it. I mean, there is some stuff. I mean, there's like the best thing. I mean, wet sanding, yeah, you could do that. But just to get some clarity back to these lights is what we're looking for. You can see there's a lot of rock chips and stuff. But that's alright. I am impressed though. Oh yeah, I mean, it definitely made a difference. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna remove this tape and we're gonna come in for a little closer look here. See how this worked. All right, here we are, zoomed up in here. You can see all this crap, and then obviously the tape line, and then here's our freshly polished headlight. I'll back out. It's definitely a lot clearer. You can see right there. That's a good angle there. You can see what it did there. Yeah, so I'm gonna say, yeah, I'm gonna say go ahead and freaking do this because it's not bad. Works pretty good. All right. So thanks for watching, and subscribe to the channel. Click that link for these pads on Amazon. All right, take care.